Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Think Big Digital. So here I'm gonna show you how to add templates in Notion. So let's get started. In your Notion application at the left side you can see option templates. Tap on this option and in here you will find out the template. As you can see this one is free, and if you look for something more you'll see this one is required payment, and in here you'll find out a lot of template. Or here you can search for a template. Here you will find out a lot of options. So I'm gonna choose this free template. Tap on this option. And if you want to add, simply tap on this add option. Here you will find out two options: add to private or add to your Notion's HQ. I'm gonna select this option. As you can see, we'll let you know when it's ready to use in your workspace. So it will take a little bit time. Whenever it's done, you'll get a notification. Here you can see I have already get the notification. Tap on the see template option, and this is our template. And if you want to move it to any page, tap on the three dot option at the right side corner and go to this move to option and select the page where I want to add this template, and that's it. And if you want to add a template by importing, there is another way. Go to any browser and search for the template that you have want to add, and from here select the template that you want to add and copy the template link. I can see the copy link. As you are done, and go to your Notion application, and from here go to the page where you want to add this template and simply paste the link and embed it, and that's it, we're done. As you can see, this is our template, and in the left side and right side you will see a black bar. You can research your template by using this option. As you can see, so that's it, we're done here, and hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.